Good evening and thanks for joining us. I'm Madeline Schmidt. This August marks 3 years since the shocking death of Albuquerque 10-year-old Victoria Martens. And still, we're far from the case being resolved in court. News 13's Jeannie Nguyen is here with the latest on the back and forth over suspect Fabian Gonzalez. Jeannie.
Madeline, there's a lot of tension between the DA's office and Gonzalez's new attorney as outlined in these court documents. Victoria Martens was murdered at a West Side apartment back in 2016. 3 suspects were named: her mother, Michelle Martens, boyfriend Fabian Gonzalez, and his cousin, Jessica Kelly. Martens has taken a plea deal, and that means at least 12 years behind bars. Jessica Kelly pleaded no contest and faces up to 50 years. But neither will be sentenced until Gonzalez's case is resolved, which is still in limbo.
Most people think the early fall at the earliest, and it could be even into the winter or the new year before we try this case.
That's because Judge Charles Brown ruled to exclude his criminal drug history in trial, and prosecutors are appealing. But trial preparation continues, and it's getting intense. Gonzalez's new attorney, Stephen Ahrens, stormed out of a recent interview with Michelle Martens, the purpose of which was to help Ahrens build his client's case. He and the prosecutors disagreed over whether his questions for Martens about what happened that night were appropriate without her attorney present. Now the DA's office has filed a motion claiming that because Ahrens stormed out, he's giving up his chance at finishing that interview with Michelle Martens. Madeline, back to you.
All right, thank you, Jeannie. Meanwhile, there's still an alleged unidentified 4th person involved in this case. The DA's office tells us that there are no updates on that.